In this video, I will show you how to add Phantom Wallet to Google Chrome. So you need to go to the phantom.com website, and from the homepage you see already in here download for Chrome. So we're going to click on this. And as you can see in here, we can click on add to Chrome. So let's do this. And now we need to click on add extension. And right now we are able to create or log in with our wallet. And I already have a wallet, so I'm just going to log in with my wallet. And you can use your Apple ID or your Google account to log in, or when you are just signed up with a normal email, then I would suggest to import your recovery phrase or your private key to log in. And you can also, if you have a hardware wallet, you can also do it when clicking on this option. But if you have a normal email, so no Apple ID or Google, then you need to click on import recovery phrase or import private key. And I'm going to do it with my recovery phrase. So I will be back with you when I am logged in. So I have linked my account, and right now I can click on continue. And right now I need to create a password. And after you have done that, then you click on I agree and then you click on continue. So our wallet is fully linked. So now we can click on get started. And in here we need to click on this extension tab in here. And then we need to add Phantom to my pins. And right now when I click on this, I will always have my Phantom wallet in here. And with this, I can receive, send, swap, buy, basically do everything that I can on my phone. And that is how you add Phantom Wallet to your Google Chrome. So thank you guys for watching and subscribe.